The adjustment brush, and this allows you to make pinpoint adjustments or accurate adjustments to your photo. The quick key for that is the letter K. So if we push the letter K, you'll see my brush up here. It's straight away gone into the mask panel. It's already given me a circular radial adjustment brush. So you can use your left or right bracket keys to change that. So what we'll do here is we'll darken the exposure down a bit, darken the sky up a bit here. The other thing you can do is if we then do another one, so if you push K again, it gives me a new mask. Bring the brush size down, which is the left bracket key, and this time we'll go to lightening something, and we'll just do a couple of sweeps within these shadows at the background just to bring out the light that's going through there. Now you can see I've gone through the camels, so what we can do there is come up here to the little box which has got the mask, and we click on minus and go objects, brush. We can just click here. You can see the mask, see the little black bit in the middle up here, that's removed them, and when I hover over you can see that that's now been removed. So you can see the powerful nature of that tool. That's the adjustment brush. Remember, it is the letter K.